Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Yusri and my matric number is 10DE23F1026 and this is my friend.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Zulaika binti Abdul Halim. My matric number is 10DE23F1008.
Today we would like to show you how to install a plug. There are 10 steps to install a plug and 5 safety precautions. So let's show. First step, the power should be turned off. The device should be ensured to be unplugged and the power should be verified as off before proceeding.
Second step, required tool should be gathered.
First, we need a screwdriver, wire cutter, 3-pin plug that complies with safety standards should be gathered.
After that, the plug cover should be loosened.
First, we need to use a screwdriver to unscrew the plug cover. Then remove the screw and separate the plug cover from the base of the plug.
Next, the cable should be trimmed and stripped.
Take the earth wire should be trimmed and stripped. Remove the excess wire. And then, take the live wire to be trimmed and stripped. Remove the excess of live wire. Lastly, take a neutral wire to be trimmed and stripped. Remove the excess of neutral wire.
Furthermore, the wires should be prepared.
Ensuring they are the right length to reach the appropriate terminal. Twist the copper strand of the live wire together. Then twist the copper strands of earth wire together. And lastly, twist the copper strand of the neutral wire.
Next, the earth wire should be connected.
The earth wire, green-yellow, should be attached to the top terminal. Mark with an E or the earth symbol. The terminal screw should be loose, the wire insert and the screw tightened secure.
After that, the live wire should be connected.
The live wire should be connected to the right terminal and take the screw to insert the screw in the right terminal. Twist the screw until it tight.
Next, the neutral wire should be connected.
The neutral wire, blue, should be connected to the terminal marked with an N. The screw should be loose, the wire insert and the screw tightened.
Also, the cable grid should be secure.
Ensure the cable to be held securely by the plug's cable grid.
Lastly, the plug should be closed and tested.
Once all wires have been connected properly and the cable is secure, the plug cover should be reattached. Take the screw and insert the screw in the plug cover. Twist the screw until it's tight. Next, the plug should be tested by plugging it into the socket and ensuring the device works properly.
So there are 5 safety precautions. First, the power should be turned off before you start working to avoid the risk of electric shock.
Next, you need to use tool which includes handle to protect yourself from electrical current in case you accidentally touch a live wire.
Third, we need to double check all the connections are tight to prevent loose wire which could cause a spark or a fire.
Next, make sure the correct fuse is used in the plug as the right fuse help protect against electrical overload.
Lastly, we need to avoid working in wet conditions as water can increase the risk of electric shock.
That's all from us. Thank you.